I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop.
That thing that I said was the fatal mistake. Yeah, as I'm going through this thing, I'm trying to lay out all the pieces, and I go to build the columns that hold the drawers, and find that there's something missing.
Well, in the middle of putting together the vanity, a rather unusual situation has occurred. As you can see from the drawing, the vanity is made up of two columns of drawers with a tabletop across them. Well, to make two columns of drawers, I need 4 of these panels. And on the drawing they're marked number 4, number 5, number 6, and number 7. Well, as I was unpacking things out of the box and adding on the drawer slides, I put the drawer slides on number 4, and then number 6, then number 7, but I didn't find number 5. So I thought, well, what did I do? Did I move it somewhere? Did it get misplaced? What happened? Well, I looked. The last piece I pulled out was number 7. And I pulled out 4, 6, 7. I didn't pull out a 5. There wasn't one. There isn't one. So Boahaus has somehow or another neglected to put a number 5 in the box. Well, I went online and I contacted Boahaus, and Miss Garcia replied almost within the hour and said, "Oh, well, just tell us your address and we'll ship you the part." So that's what I did, and now it remains to be seen how long it takes to get the part. But I can't build the vanity until I get that number 5 panel. It just seems odd that they would pack all this stuff in such a dense flat pack and not notice that there's something of this size missing. Now, perhaps gypsies came in last night and swiped it, and it's all a conspiracy to make it difficult to put this vanity together, but I don't believe that. I think somebody just forgot to put it in a box. But how did it happen? Don't know, probably never will. But in the meantime, I can put together the drawers and all the other internal pieces, and we'll see where we go from there. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on this channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.